How to change team name on FPL. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change team names in Fantasy Premier League. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So there is no option to change the team name in the app. You will need to log in to the Fantasy Premier League in a browser to change the name. So open any browser. I will be using Google Chrome. Then search for Fantasy Premier League. Tap on this website. A pop-up will show up. Tap on the browser you are using and not the app. I'm using Chrome, so I will tap on Chrome. Once you are on the website, enter your email and password and sign in. Then tap on Pick Team. Here you will see your team name. To change it, scroll down. Here under Admin, tap on Team Details. Then tap on your team name. Put the name you want. After you have changed the name, scroll down and tap on Update Details and your team name will be changed. So this is how you can change team names on FPL.